Okay, I'm using the Tenergy charger discharger to recharge all my batteries. So my car is acting up, Honda Civic Hybrid. It's not the gas mileage is pretty low, only 30 something, and not charging, and the power is not good. So we think the battery is bad. So we will be trying to recover the battery using this Tenergy device to charge and recharge multiple times. Maybe I'll do 3 times, discharge and recharge, and see if we can recover the power. Okay, and you can have multiple devices, but for now I'm just use one device to charge the battery one by one. Make sure you find which one is positive, which one is negative, using the meters. And all my battery is like a 16.1 volt when I pull it out, and I'll see after we condition all these batteries and see what happens.